Today I'm going to be discussing with you our project, which is Call for Support, which is a disaster relief web platform that can allow users who are affected by by disasters to store data in our own database regarding location, user name, uh, email address, contact information, and what they would like. And users who would like to help these individuals who are affected by disasters, they can do so by looking at these contact informations and contacting them. So let's take a quick look at our website. So currently it is uploaded on a GitHub pages. Here's the link. And so the first thing you'll see is website, the home page, which is describing to you, as you can see, the main aspect of our web page is this map, which demonstrates current situation, mainly for fires regarding in the California region. So essentially, this map is not a portion of our website that we developed ourselves, but we imported another map from somewhere else and incorporated it into our website to demonstrate what a feature of our app should look like. Unfortunately, that feature is not working for some reason. It was working a couple of weeks ago. However, Google Maps API, which is what we're using to display information, which I'll explain a little bit further later, for some reason it's a little bit wonky with our API keys and stuff. So I'll explain this a little bit further. But on the left side of this website, you can see tweets regarding California fires. So for these are just updates on the fires that have been occurring in California for the past few months now. In the middle, I obviously told you guys that it's the map from a different source, not our own map. And on the right side is is a list of emergency preparedness guides. So if you want to be prepared in the event of an emergency, just click on any of these links and it'll direct you to a designated page, not our own page, but other websites regarding the specific disaster that you click on. So for example, if you click on earthquakes, you'll be led to ready.gov, and it'll describe to you what you should be doing in the event of an earthquake by clicking on any of these links and reading more information about them. Same thing goes for all these other websites. So now that the front page is done, let us move on to the Provide Aid page. So the Provide Aid page is essentially a place where we can list users who are affected by certain events. So this is like a website. This page is the area where you can see information regarding users who are affected by a disaster. So if we click on any one of them, for example, this one, as we can see, we're led to user profile page, which describes who the person is, how you can contact them through email, the number of people who are with them who also need help, and what exactly they want. So this is just a test case example, but Spot here, who has 6 other people, would like to have kibble. If you want to contact them, you can contact them through this email address, or you can also press this contact button, which would, due to a lack of time, we couldn't implement this really well, but essentially what the contact button was supposed to do was lead you to a web page which would allow you to contact them directly, and they would get a response through notification by email or text message, whatever we wanted to implement. So next is the Need Assistance page, which is where you will be describing your situation, what you would like to have, like where you're located, your email address, how many people are affected with you, which type of supplies you want, and you can upload your profile picture and you can submit it. And it goes directly to Firebase. That's where our information is stored. And when you go to the Provide Aid page, you'll be able to see that information and be able to contact them from there. Now, our last part of this website is the Google Maps API. So unfortunately, there's something wrong with the map, But essentially what the map is supposed to do is it logs information from OpenFEMA API, which is it's an API developed by the government, the United States government, which logs information regarding disasters that have already occurred in the United States. So, for example, all those fires that you were seeing, OpenFEMA has them, as well as other types of disasters that have occurred in the past few months. We logged the first 25 data points in the OpenFEMA database based on descending time orders. So it goes from from the latest event to the next 25 events that have already occurred in the past. Now, what we're logging is just the type of the event, the type of the disaster, whether it's a fire, hurricane, etc., what day it occurred, like whether it occurred today, yesterday, 9/27, whatever, as well as the location, which essentially it would display a marker on that map, and it'll give you the location. You can click on that marker and it will display to you what the event is and what date it occurred. So yeah, that's pretty much our website. Hopefully we'll get this map thing running again, like maybe tonight or tomorrow, whenever we can. But this is our project. I hope you guys enjoyed it.